This is going to be a video tutorial on how to hide or show your email address on Facebook. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have my browser opened up now and I am logged into Facebook. To hide or show your email address, first thing you want to do is go off to the upper right hand corner, up to the little profile icon. You want to click on your profile icon. And then the first thing down, your name, you want to click on your name. That will take you to your profile page. And underneath where you see your name, you'll see a bunch of tabs here. Posts, About, Friends, Photos, Videos. You want to click on the one that says About. And on this page that opens up, the pane off to the left-hand side, you want to go down to where it says Contact and Basic Info. Click on Contact and Basic Info. And then on the center pane, you'll see your phone number, and right underneath that is your email address. Off to the right of my email address, you can see I have a little lock here. If I put my cursor over that, it tells me it's set to only me. I'm going to click on the pencil icon off to the right of that. And once again, you can see it's set to only me. I have a button here that says only me. I'm going to click on that only me button. A little dialog box will pop up, and it gives you plenty of options. The very top option is you can set it to public, where anybody on or off Facebook can see your email address. You could set it to friends of friends. That means your friends and your friends' friends can see your email address. You could set it to friends only. You could set it to only me. As you can see, I have only me toggled on. That means nobody can see my email address. Down below that, you could set it to custom if you toggle that one on. Another little dialog box will pop up. Who do you want to share it with, or who do you not want to share it with? I'm going to click cancel. And if you have any custom groups, you'll see them below that. Like I said, I have mine set to only me. I'm going to go down to the bottom. I'm going to click on done. And that is how you hide or show your email address on Facebook. Thanks for watching.